morning students. In the previous classes we have discussed about integers and how to represent integers on number line. Today's topic is addition of integers. Addition of integers. Addition of positive integers. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Here 5 and 6 are positive integers. Next example, 20 plus 45 is equal to 65. 20 and 45 positive integers. 100 plus 30. 130 they are positive integers. 100 plus 30, 130. So these all are positive integers. So we have to directly take the sum and answer is also in positive. So same sign, we have to take the sum and answer will be also in the same sign. Positive integers, the sum answer is also in positive integer. Next, addition of negative integers. Minus 5 plus minus 6. Here minus 5 and minus 6 are negative integers. In between, we have to take the sum plus minus 5 plus minus 6. Here plus sign and minus sign is there. So plus into minus, minus will come. Minus into plus is equal to minus, or plus into minus is equal to minus. So plus into minus, minus. So minus 5, minus 6. The sign of both the numbers are same. So we have to take the sum. 5 plus 6 we know it is 11 and put the sign of given integers. The sign is negative, so answer will be also in negative. If the sign of both the numbers are same, we have to take the sum and put the sign of the given integers. In this, the sign of both the numbers are negative, therefore answer is also in negative. More examples. Minus 20 plus minus 40. Here minus 20 and minus 40 are negative integers. And we know plus into minus, minus will come, and minus 20, minus 45. Both are in same sign, so we have to take the sum and put the negative sign. We know 20 plus 45 is 65 and put the negative sign in the answer. Example number 3, minus 100 plus minus 30. Both are negative integers. Plus into minus, minus will come. Minus 100 minus 30. If both the number sign are same, we have to take the sum and put the negative sign. So 100 plus 30 we know 130 and put negative sign. Therefore answer is minus 130. Next, addition of positive and negative integers. In this, one number will be in positive sign and other will be in negative sign. Here 5 plus minus 4. 5 is a positive integer and minus 4 is a negative integer. So we know plus into minus, minus will come, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore answer is 1. And while subtracting, the the sign of the bigger number will come on the answer. Here 5 is a bigger number and its sign is plus, so answer will be also in plus. Example number 2, minus 6 plus 2. Here minus 6 is a negative integer and 2 is a positive integer. So one is in plus, one is in minus and other is in plus. So we have to subtract and put the sign of bigger number. We have to subtract. So 6 minus 2 we know it is 4 and the sign of bigger, here bigger number is 6 and its sign is minus. So answer is in minus. Therefore answer is minus 4. Next, 3 plus minus 10. We know plus into minus, minus will come. 3 minus 10. So we have to subtract and put the sign of bigger number. Here the sign of 10 is minus and it is greater than 3. Therefore in answer, minus will come. We know 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10 is 7 and bigger sign is negative. 10 sign is minus, so minus 7 will come. From the examples, we observe that when we have the same sign, add and put the same sign. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Example, plus 3 plus 2. Here 3 and 2 are positive integer. So we have to add and answer will be in positive. Therefore answer is plus 5. When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. Example, minus 2, minus 1. We have to take the sum of these two numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3 and put negative sign. So minus 3 is the answer. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we subtract them and put the sign of bigger integer. The bigger integer is decided by ignoring the signs of the integers. Example, plus 4 plus minus 3. Here 4 is greater and the sign of 4 will come in the answer. We will not consider the plus or minus sign. 4 and 3 will compare and the sign of bigger number will come in the answer. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and the sign of 4 is plus, so answer is also in plus. Next example, minus 4 plus 3. So 1 is in negative, other is in positive. We have to subtract. We know 4 minus 3 is 1 and sign of bigger number will come in the answer. Here 4 is greater than 3. So sign of 4 is minus. So in answer will be in negative. Minus 1 is the answer. We have discussed about addition of integers. Let us see how to add integers on number line. Addition of integers on a number line. Addition of 3 and 5 on number line. So we have to do 3 plus 5 on number line. So from first we will mark 3 from 0. So 3 is positive integer. It is on the right side of 0. So from 0, 1, 2, 3. First we will mark 3 and we have to add 5 to the 3. So from 3 we will move 5 unit distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it reached at number 8. Therefore 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 is the answer. Next, addition of minus 3 and minus 5. Here both numbers are in negative and we know in number line the negative integers are on the left side of 0. So first we will mark 3 from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And from minus 3 we will move towards left 5 unit distance. So from minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 8 is the answer. So minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8. Next is addition of 5 and minus 3. Here 5 is a positive integer and minus 3 is a negative integer. So 5 plus minus 3. So first we will mark 5 plus 5. So from 0 towards right we have to mark plus 5 and from plus 5 we have to minus 3 subtract. So it will move towards left. From 5 we have to move towards left 3 unit distance. 1, 2, 3. Therefore 2 is the answer. Thus we get 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2. Because minus 3 is a negative integer, so we have to move towards left. Next, addition of minus 5 and 3. In the previous question we have discussed plus 5 and minus 3. Here minus 5 and 3. So first we will minus 5 plus 3 is given. So first we will mark minus 5 on the number line. From 0 towards left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 we have marked. Then from minus 5 plus 3. Plus 3 means we have to move towards right. If plus towards right, if minus towards left we have to move. So from minus 5 we will move towards right 3 unit distance. 1, 2, 3 and reach that minus 2. Thus we get minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. From the examples we observed that when a positive integer is added to an integer, the resulting integer becomes greater than the given integer. Example, 5 plus 9. Both are positive integers, so answer is greater than the given number. 14 is greater than 5 and 9. When a negative integer is added to an integer, the resulting integer becomes less than the given integer. Example, 3 plus minus 2. A negative integer is added to 3 and the resulting answer is 1, which is less than the given number. Today we have discussed about addition of integers and how to add integers on number line. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Marks.